We are your Vancouver hot water heater installation company. Providing repairs, maintenance and replacement for your heating system is our specialty. Plumbers Vancouver provides hot water heating systems installation throughout the Lower Mainland. Our customer service operators are available 24 hours a day to help you resolve your plumbing issues. Call and schedule your installation and take advantage of our same-day service. Call Plumbers Vancouver now at 604-239-3388.